We're checking out here at Crown Plaza. Ito yung labas niya. Excellent yung rating sa Agoda. Overlooking yung bay. Ito yung parang bar niya. Now we're checking out. Ito yung facilities. The food is great. Ito yung lobby. This is the lobby. And we're going out. Yeah. Checking out. Punta kami sa parking area for another adventure. We're going saan to? Nago, no? Nago. So medyo challenging yung ano to place namin because it's within the national park. And I have an environmental planner to analyze yung setup here. Hello. Ito yung labas niya. We're going out. Our parking is there. See the Toyota yellow na car. There's a communication tower. Lakas ng hangin na. Now we're going out here. Today is our second day. We rented a car. The usual na mga vacation namin. We rent ng car to improve mobility so that we can go to mga less traveled destinations. Yun. Very nice. There's somebody. Ayan yung cute na sakyan namin. Ito pa yung Tanto pala. Kita ko na for rent. This is a rented car. Toyota. Ano bang brand nito? Ba't malakas yung hatak niya? No, kahit na small car, hindi siya yung cheaper version ng mga Toyota Passo. No? Good for two. Very spacious na. Rent a car nakalagay. May warning ba to? Foreigner driving. Okay.